Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. I have a great collab today with a bunch of beautiful YouTubers and your chance to enter into the giveaway to win a $50 gift card. I will leave all the items and information in the description box. I'll leave a picture of all the people that are participating in this giveaway. So please, I encourage you to go check out all the channels, run the playlist, and there will be a secret word in each video. So you have to actually pay attention and enter that in the comment section. And if I've left out anything, hopefully it's mentioned in the description. So let's get into this holiday look. I'm feeling very vibey right now. Before we get started, this is the palette I'm going to use that time of year. If you haven't seen this, you are definitely missing out. So here it is. And these are the colors. So we are doing a festive holiday look. So we're going to use the greens and the red and a shimmer. So I got the look inspiration from RiRi, who is one of the collaborators on this palette. So let's prime our eyes. This is the Beauty Crop, Stuck on You. Pretty sure I got this in Ipsy. Hold on. Let's make this very festive. I also found this at the dollar store, so last year. Prime our eyes. So if you're going to like your family's house and you want to present your festive Christmas look, this is a great palette. And I think greens and reds are typical holiday colors. What do you think make Christmas colors? Some of you have mentioned that in my other videos. So I'm gonna let this dry. But I like driving around and seeing the Christmas lights up and people putting up decorations. It makes me feel in the Christmas spirit. So that's why I'm going with greens and reds, because they are bold. And I haven't tried the green in the palette. So I do think that this palette is an all-around palette. You can definitely use it throughout the year, but it gives you the vibes and the colors you need. So I did make a purple look. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. Got my eyebrows on, nice and bold. So if you're new to makeup and you just want to try out something new, or you just want to try out something new, that's what we're going to do. I also have a Christmas idea as well. So there is Evergreen and Cheer. Let's go on with Cheer because it's lighter. But first, I'm going to do a base because I always do. And Fuzzy Socks is a perfect base. Nice fluffy brush. And just tap it in, move it around. I like to have a nice base, and this is not meant to be like a perfection look, but more of a fun, festive look. Are you catching the drift of the keyword? Make sure you comment down below. And there is our base. Fuzzy Socks is perfect. So we're going to use the same brush. Go into Cheer. Ooh, Lord. Let's outline. Oh, yes. It's the same. This palette just does not disappoint. Okay, so outline. And the names are even festive. So we got Cheer going on here. And we're going to bring it in here. And then do the same thing on the other side. Stamp, stamp, pat, pat. Outline the eye. Swipe, swipe. This is a great brush. This is Farrah. Yep. Great brush. I get a lot of my brushes from Ipsy, which is also another great idea for gift giving. You can give a Ipsy subscription. What do you guys think? Feeling Grinchy. Okay. So we're gonna take the same brush and go with Evergreen and deepen it up. Bring it all the way up here. Make that line. Up, up, up. All right, now we have to connect. It's got some pigment. Definitely loving the pigment. That time of year. What do you like to do around Christmas? Do you drive around like I do and see the lights? Do you go to the parade? Do you go to the lighting of the tree ceremonies? Any of that good Christmassy stuff? Any holiday traditions that you participate in? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you use that festive word. Okay, so I think we get the idea with the green, right? I'm actually really liking the green. These are perfect shades of green. So if you haven't gotten this palette, you should definitely do that. We're gonna go in with Silver Bells and go right on the lid here. That is beautiful. I'm gonna pack it on all the way across. Keep the festive look going. That is definitely silver. What's your favorite Christmas song? Do you guys sing Christmas carols throughout the year? Or just around Christmas? Do you know all the songs? What's one that reminds you the most of Christmas? That's a lot of questions. Oh boy. Okay. And then, let me see which one. I like Snow Angel a lot. Look at how pretty that is. We're just gonna pop that right here. All these names are super, super pretty. Okay, so now that we've gotten the idea that it's festive, we're gonna go in with the only red, which is Cherry Jubilee. Cherries Jubilee. And go right underneath. Just like that. See that? You got your Christmas colors. Super festive. If you haven't gotten the word by now, I don't know what to tell you. But make sure you put it in the comments. Check the description box to make sure you qualify for that giveaway. And you run the playlist, and then you'll be entered. You must be subscribed to all the channels as well. So let me just show you this little Target goodie bag. Once we put on this mascara, this is Tarte's brand Sugar Rush Lash Smoothie. I do love it. I got this from Ipsy as well. it coats the eyes. The eyelashes are beautiful. Oops, look at that, made a mistake already. Trying to do it without the mirror. I don't know who I think I am. All right, but I'm gonna take my green brush and just dab right over it like it never even happened. Okay, so here's a gift idea. Target.com, go on their website, save 5% if you are a Target member. The value of this Your Best Glow beauty box is over $39, and it gives you a little hint. So let's rip it off. I haven't even opened it. Shout out to Target. Nice festive Christmas bag. Give this as a great gift to someone you know. And here we go. I don't need that. So this is Mask Bar Brightening Sheet Mask, Vitamin C. We love vitamin C. So there's one. Oh, Bliss. I haven't tried this. Bliss Bright Idea Vitamin C Tripeptide. This is 8 mLs and it has a little pump. You see that? Super cute. A Cure. I do like this. I have this already. Brightening Facial Scrub. 1 fluid ounce. Amy Naturally Kind. And this is Glow and Bright Illuminating Moisturizer. 30 mLs. I'm getting a hint that this is supposed to be brightening. So Lumine, I think that's how you say it. Nordic Sea Clear Glow Cleansing Gel Scrub. 15 mLs. That's pretty cool. Vaseline, another great brand. What is this? Oh, twist off. What is this? All Over Body Balm. Nice, fragrance free. And it's 1.4 ounces. This is pretty cool. All right, Burt's Bees, another great brand. This is a facial oil. It's 0.05. That's very small. Fluid ounces. It has rose hip seed extract. It's 99.9% natural. I'm not gonna open it because I might give it away. Oops, this was open. Hopefully it didn't spill. This is Heritage Store Rose Water Toner. Oh, I love rose water. Oh, it's sealed. Great. Love that Target. Okay. Dry to Combination Skin, vegan and cruelty free, 2 fluid ounces. I'm definitely going to use that. Last item here is Vichy. This is Mineral 89 Booster, 4 mLs. I'll have to, mineral water and hyaluronic acid. Okay, I was reading the, looks like French side. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 products, right? And the bag. And I believe this was $14 on Target's website. And they ship it to you for free. So you can just ship it to your person that you're shipping it to. And it makes a great gift or stocking stuffer. So go check that out, guys. And don't forget about the giveaway. It ends, I'll have that information in the description box as well. I believe it's the 27th, if I'm not mistaken, of December. And let me know what you guys think of my festive Christmas look. And as always, stay safe.